Hi guys, it's George from Attraction Tickets Direct, and today I'm at Siam Park. Help me! Okay, it's time! What's it time for, Helen?
The Tower of Power!
It's meant to be the most scariest, terrifying ride here, and I've been told it goes at speeds of 80 kilometers per hour.
That's like a car!
That's crazy, that's intense. But
well, I'm excited. Are you excited?
well, I've got a little idea. How about I nominate you, Helen, to go on it, because I'm slightly nervous about this one.
I knew you were going to say this!
I'm sorry, you owe me from previous videos.
Look how high it is! I can literally see almost all of Tenerife from up here. Okay, I'm just going to do it. I'm going to do it.
The Tower of Power! It's meant to be the most scary,
because I was like concentrating, but yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. It's brilliant. Let's do it again. I think you should do it.
maybe not, maybe not, maybe not.
This one we don't know anything about.
Right, Helen, how was that for you?
That was ridiculous.
It was insane.
I can't see where I was going because a massive wave of water just completely covers you, and then my hair was like this. It's like up and down, up and down. I think that might be the best water slide I've ever been on.
Yeah, it was just the unexpected, but we loved it.
Yeah, woo!
So yeah, it's my favourite.
The weather, of course, is beautiful, so hopefully we'll get a good suntan on the lazy river later on.
Definitely. Oh, I love a lazy
Me
river.
too.
I'm so excited for the lazy river.
It's because you're lazy.
It's because I'm lazy and I love rivers.
I love rivers.
My Thai river it is.
There is a bicycle on the beach serving mojitos, so I think that's right up our street.
Yeah, right up our beach. We're gonna go.
Boom! I've got this theory that a mojito that is made on a beach tastes better, and I've got a name for it. Beachito. No, hang on.
I think it's more like my beach.
My beach. My beach.
So good.
This is a good one.
This is a very good one.
Cheers. Right, it's H versus G.
Who do you think is gonna win?
Get your bets on.
Helen, I beat you once, I'm gonna beat you twice.
That Georgia thinks that she's smart, but I am coming to get her.
Helen just went the furthest, like does that count? Helen, you cheater! Right, I mean, should we just leave this up to the audience? Because I mean,
Well,
What
she
just
went
happened?
faster, but I went further, so who wins?
I'm like a 100-meter sprinter, and you're like the marathon of the nugget racer.
Let's call it quits.
I'm happy with that. Okay, so I've come to the end of my day at Siam Park, and Helen's currently in the gift shop, probably buying all the souvenirs. But yeah, I've had the most incredible day. You have to come and visit. The theming is just amazing. The vibe is just like paradise. It's so idyllic. You know, if you want to come and chill, get a suntan, lay on a beach, go on a lazy river, you can do that. If you want to come for thrills and go on really adrenaline, fun-filled rides, there's so much here to do. Come here, find out for yourself, and enjoy your day at Siam Park.